how long does Prizepicks take to pay? Prizepicks typically processes payouts within 24 to 48 hours, though it can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose. So if you choose direct bank or ACH transfer, payouts via direct bank or automatic clearinghouse usually take 2 to 3 days after approval. It can sometimes take up to 5 days depending on your bank's processing times. If you use PayPal, it's usually going to be fast, so PayPal payouts are generally faster, processed within 24 hours after approval. However, it can take up to 48 hours in some cases. If you use prepaid cards or debit cards, then this can take 2 to 4 business days to load the funds onto the card after the withdrawal request is approved. Now, you want to make sure that you know that processing delays can happen. So sometimes you can get processing delays due to verification or weekends/holidays when the banks aren't processing transactions. And Prizepicks may ask for additional identification to verify your account, which could add a bit of time to the payout. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.